Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chrysler Town and Country key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. This common battery type powers many key fobs. Having the right tools makes the process smooth and quick. Let's get started with opening the fob. Now let's open the key fob. Find the small slot, usually near the key ring. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal components. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music or setting reminders, just like you're fixing your key fob to get back on the road. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper function.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.